Hello children. In this video we are going to see practice set 6.4. Question number 1. Draw a histogram of the following data. You know what is histogram? It is a joint bar graph for the class interval. Now here you see height of students is given in centimeter from 135 to 140, 140 to 145, 140 to 150 and 150 to 155. And number of students in each class are given as frequencies. So when we are drawing the histogram, here we have to take scale on x-axis 2 centimeter equals to 5 centimeter height. So 135 to 140 is 5 centimeter and 140 to 145 is again 5 centimeter. So 2 centimeter equals to 5 centimeter height. On y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 2 students. So 1 centimeter equals to 2 students as the frequency is given in multiple of 2 here. Now here you see one mark here. This is known as a creek mark. As you know that we synchronize in Excel sheet, what columns we don't want, we synchronize them. We hide them. So similarly here to show that this part of the graph is hidden. So here it is the creek mark. What we have to do like this, and directly we start with number 135 to 140. 2 centimeter equals to, on x-axis equals to 5 unit, that is 5 centimeter height. I am sure this how to take x-axis is understood. So creek mark will be there. Here we synchronize the same. Now as you draw the graph, class, but you have to start with 135 to 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155. Then whatever frequency of that class is there, that we have to take. For class 135 to 140 is 4, class 140 to 145 is 12, 145 to 150 is 16, and 150 to 155 is 8. So on x-axis, height of students in centimeter is taken, and on y-axis, number of students is taken. So like this, you have to draw the histogram. Don't forget to write the scale, and don't forget to write the x-axis and y-axis is for what. So this is the solution of the first problem. Second problem will come across. The table below shows the yield of a jawar per acre. Show the data by histogram. Now here yield per acre is given in quintal, but here you see class is not continuous. So we have to make this class in continuous class, and number of farmers are given as a frequency. So here class yield per acre quintal, whatever given class is there, will make its continuous class. As you know, from lower limit we subtract 0.5 and from upper limit we add 0.5 and make the class continuous. So here class is continuous there, number of farmers are there. Now we have to draw the histogram. So scale on x-axis 2 centimeter equals to 2 quintals, 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So 1.5 to 3.5. Here is 0. So here again creek is marked here, and then 1.5 to 3.5, 3.5 to 5.5, 5.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 11.5 classes are taken on x-axis. That is nothing but yield per acre in quintal. And on y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 10 farmers. So from the given data, for this class, it is 30. For class 3.5 to 5.5, it is 50. Now, for 5.5 to 7.5, it is 55. And 7.5 to 9.5, it is 40. And 9.5 to 11.5, it is 20. So this way, you can draw the histogram. Very easy it is to draw. Question number 3. In the following table, the investment made by 210 families is shown. Present it in the form of a histogram. Here continuous class is given, but investment is in 1000 rupees. And number of families, frequencies are given for each class. Now how to draw this? Scale you take on x-axis 2 centimeter equals to 5000 rupees. Why 5000 rupees? Because class is from 10,000 to 15,000 as it is given in 1000 rupees. So on x-axis 2 centimeter equals to 5000. But here we don't write 5000, we write 10 to 15, means it is in thousands only. So this is of 5000 rupees. And 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Investment in 1000 rupees. It is given already here. So we will write 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Again crick is marked because 0 to 10 it starts from here. And on y-axis number of family 1 centimeter equals to 10 families. So number of families on y-axis, so 10, 20. So 10 to 15 is 30. 15 to 20 is 50, 20 to 25 it is 60, 25 to 30 it is 55, and 30 to 35 it is 15. Next problem. Time allotted for the preparation of an examination by some students is shown in that table. Draw a histogram to show the information. Time is shown in minutes, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and so on up to 140 to 160. Number of students, frequency is given. So here again we have to draw the scale. On x-axis 2 centimeter equals to 20 minutes. Why 20 minutes? Because 60 to 80 it is. And on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 2 students, multiple of 2. So time is taken. Again the crick is marked here. Here the crick is marked and class is taken from 60 to 80, 80 to 100 to 120 to 140 to 160. Time in minutes is given. On y-axis number of students are given as 1 centimeter equals to 2 students. So 60 to 80 are 14 students, 80 to 100 are 20 students, 100 to 120 are 24 students, 120 to 140 are 22 students, and 140 to 160 are 16 students. So like this you can draw the histogram. I am sure you have understood. Again I repeat, very important to write the scale and x-axis and y-axis and what they represent x and y-axis, that also you have to write. Don't forget to give the crick mark because 0 to 60 is here and 60 to 80 is 2 centimeter. I am sure you might have understood. Any difficulty you can ask me by sending me the email. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you, students.